I was surprised as a first-time home buyer that it was honestly like a breeze.
I'm Caitlin.
Austin. The easiest part was that being over in a different country, like thousands of miles away, it was very easy for us to do the process. Everybody at Tabor, our realtor, the bank that Tabor works through, made it very easy for us to do everything digitally and socially distanced and all that kind of stuff.
I think with the realtor that's familiar with Tabor Homes also, it was really helpful. She had those relationships built already with a few of the sales reps and with Great Plains Bank. If you're not familiar with PCS travel with the military, traveling or moving from overseas back to the States is not the easiest feat. And yeah, it was very easy. I love the kitchen, the space that we had, the pantry. I love the pantry. It might seem little to some people, but to us it meant a whole lot to have that extra storage. And having a full-size fridge again was really nice.
If you want to talk about the master bath.
I love the master bath. I love that bathtub, the deep set, jets. Really give you a nice relaxing bath after like a long run or something. I like the fact that we have a 2-car garage now. We can put both cars in there. I grew up down in Dallas, so I'm kind of familiar with the weather and how many tornadoes pop up around here. So it's nice to know that I have some kind of shelter for our vehicles, and also the storm shelter is a good relief.
We got very lucky, and I think that has a lot to do with Homes by Tabor, Great Plains Bank, our realtor Kat. We have military friends that have not been in the same boat as us, so for that we're grateful for Tabor. Pretty much everyone we've talked to, when they ask us if we bought a home, we tell them yes. So who'd you go with? We say it's a Tabor home. Everyone says really good things about Tabor, so that kind of made us feel a lot better too.
Yeah. We're also jealous of all the cool features.
That too, yes. So we tell everyone to try and get a Tabor home.